Hi guys, it's me Abdul from Abdul's here. Today's video is going to be about me showing you guys 3 simple ways how to make slime. Not one, but 3. So, let's get started. But before I start, yesterday I went shopping with my family members and I saw a fan and he told me that what video are you going to make next? And I told him 3 simple ways how to make slime. And he was a nice fan that he made this for me. 3 simple ways to make slime. Though I really appreciated that because I can't write like that. And another thing is I have this paper to tell me the ingredients. 1, 2, 3. 3 simple ways. And make sure you subscribe and hit that bell over there so you can be a part of Abdul's family. And make sure you go down in the comments and tell if you want to send me something, then tell me. And yeah, let's get started. And the first one is gonna be and some people don't know what slime is. I heard of that. So if you don't know what slime is basically this fluffy thing. Sometimes it's fluffy, sometimes it's like sticky, and sometimes it's not sticky. And kids always love it. Like they always play with it. I love it too. I'm a kid, so what's a better way for making slime? And the first one is Tide and glue. You make sure you use this kind of glue. And make sure you put a little bit of this. Let's get 1. And we want to put a lot of glue. A lot. Okay, this is not working at all. So let's open this up. So yeah, is that good? Okay, so yes. And we want to put now the camera will zoom in. But before I have to put this, I want to put a little. Is this good? A tablespoon. Okay, so that's it, because if you add a lot, then it will not mix. Okay, let's put this back. And now let's start mixing. Mix. Whoa, let me feel it. Wow. Wow, look. You guys can see, I thought of putting food coloring in, but it doesn't matter. It's blue. glue so I can see right now that it became slime. So that's good. This one is good. This one is really, really good. And yeah. Oh yeah. And write down in the comments which slime do you think is better? 1, 2, or 3? Okay, I have to put okay, so this one is good. So now let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is toothpaste, glue, sugar, water. I got a cup of water. And that's it. Okay. And we need a spoon. Spoon's right there. Let's get one. Let's move this to the side right there. Okay, so first we want to put the glue in. Let's open this, because I already know that's going to be a little like last time. Oh, a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay. Is that good? Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so let's close this. What should we put next? Toothpaste. And you can use any kind of toothpaste, it doesn't matter. See a bubble, I see a bubble, I see a bubble. Well, make sure you put a little, because if you put a lot, you can waste all your toothpaste. And it's not going to work. Put a lot. Next, sugar. But make sure you put 2 tablespoons of it. Because if you put 3 or 4, it's going to be too much. Wait, that's too much. Yep, that's good. And one more. Okay, that's good. And last but not least, tissue. Because we have to clean our spoon because the sugar. And now we're gonna add the water. I should put it in the spoon, because the spoon is here for everything. Whoa, okay, I think that's it, because I already dropped it. So let's put that to the side, and now it's time to mix. Okay, I think I put a little bit too much. Wait. And this one is good. Ooh. This is like gas. If you guys ever know science, I learned it in school. Atoms is inside gas, and gas atoms, they're apart. They're like not together, but solid is together, like all the times. But liquid, it's like in groups, sometimes close. Alright, this one is good. I just have to take the water out. I'm gonna take the water out later, because we're up to the last one. The last one is shaving gel. Shaving gel is right here. But before we start the shaving gel, we have to put, this is the thing. We have to put a little bit, shaving cream gel. Contract solution right here. Glue. Oh, so we gotta use glue. my spoon? Where's my spoon? There it is. Okay. So first, all the time, we want to use the glue. So I'm basically using glue for everything. Okay. So we want to use it like this. Oh, okay, it's doing its thing. Okay, that's it, because that's too much. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we're gonna do the shaving cream. And now we're gonna use the contract solution. Oh, good. It works. Does it work like this, or do we have to put it? I think we have to put it. Okay, that's it. So I told you before, if you put a lot, then it's not gonna work. Little works. Okay, now where's my spoon again? My spoon over there. And now, for the moment,